Very warm welcome to my lecture series, and this is our second video. In previous video we have seen the introduction to space. What are the things in the space beyond the earth, the layers of the atmosphere like chemosphere and hemisphere, stratosphere, troposphere, how it held up like a blanket for our earth, for living organisms supporting like that. In this video we will discuss about the some more etc things beyond the space, beyond the Earth's atmosphere, that is called space, where the space starts and the atmosphere ends. Observing the sky at the night time is very exciting and very interesting to look into that. What are the things beyond the space, and what is that beyond the galaxies, and what are the things other than the planets and celestial bodies and etc and etc. So if we see the stars we are watching in the night time, we can see that it's blinking like that. We can see some light from the stars. So actually, is that star at the same state what we are watching at the current time? Absolutely not. When we are watching the stars, we are observing the light from that particular star is the condition of that star of several years ago, because the stars were located several light years away from the earth. So what we are seeing on the particular star is not its exact state of the current situation, because the light passes through the several light years away. So the light travels for a few years to reach our earth. So regarding that, now we are interesting to see by scopes like nowadays we can observe the sky and the moon and other spaces by using the scopes like James telescope and other object, and by using the IIS, International Space Stations. So before several years, how they observed the sky and what are the assumptions they had, we can see. Mainly the archaeologist discovered the cave painting, which is more than 40,000 years ago. In various countries, and also in our India we have several scientists who has been observed the sky and make some theories and found some valuable information about the sky, our ancestors. So like Eratosthenes, who has been lived 276 BC, and in that observation they have came to the assumption that two types, as a two models, they created two type of models, which one is geocentric and another one is heliocentric. Which geocentric means the earth and other planets and other comets and satellites of the planets has been revolving each other and one center one. We know that. But what is the main particular the centralized object in that by which and what is the center part? What is the center part of the model is Earth, that is geocentric method. That the theory has been considered the other planets, including the sun, has been surrounding and revolving the Earth. And in heliocentric, the theory what we have following till now is this theory only, heliocentric. In heliocentric, the centralized part is sun. The earth and other planets and other comets and everything beyond that all are surrounding sun and revolving the sun. which means a center part is sun. In India, we have a lot more scientists enough to research about this space, like Aryabhatta, who wrote the book Aryabhatiyam, which explains the motion of planets and the time of eclipses and how the rotational of Earth and Sun and everything. And Bhaskara is who discovers the planetary longitudes and helical rising and among the planets and stars and solar and lunar eclipses. And Brahmagupta, who has been discovered the day started at midnight. This is a universal thing right now. We are coming up with this only. So the day started at the midnight, 12 o'clock. That he founded that, and the conjunctions and phase of the lunar for the 15 days during full moon day to revolving motion surrounding the earth, and Varaha Mihira and epileptic theory, which he make the theories in mathematical way. He founded it a longitudinal and other gravitational force in a mathematical way, and 5 main astronomical treats. And among those two categories, we are following now the heliocentric method is a real one in the world, like that. So after the continuation of this video series, we will meet in next video regarding the important planets and important persons involving in astronomy in India, and other kind of researchers in India we made. Thank you.